Large side-to-side differences in front caster can cause unwanted steering forces, which may lead to a pull. To understand how caster might cause a pull, let's begin with a description of its purpose. Caster is often used to enhance straight line stability. A positive angle is normally specified for this purpose. With positive caster, vehicle weight on each spindle helps hold them in a straight-ahead position. When the wheels are steered, this same load helps push the spindles back to straight ahead. If a large side-to-side error occurs, steering force towards the side with the lesser positive caster is created. In this example, caster is 2 degrees negative on the left side and 2 degrees positive on the right. With these settings, steering force will be directed towards the left side, causing a pull. In this example, caster on the right side has the lesser positive position and may cause steering force to the right. If caster cannot be set the same on each side, it should be set so the side-to-side variance does not exceed the manufacturer's specifications. If a cross-caster tolerance is not available, use 0.5 degrees as a rule of thumb. The only exception occurs when the manufacturer specifies different preferred settings for each wheel.